the one I was going to look for. Cool, look at that, went up. Did you see that, Izzy? You filmed that one, did you?
My son's footage here. That's what happened. Explosions. See that? On YouTube, www.youtube, Bibliosca.
A plastics factory in the background. And this is the silo. Hemswell Cliff.
Sins like what happens, you no longer desire and want to do evil. So when the Bible says, yeah, that they will write them on your heart, on the fleshly tables of your heart, the laws of God, yeah, that's what the Bible talks about when it says in chapter 8 of Romans, yeah, that nobody is condemned who has a heart change, who is born again, who walks not after the flesh, but now walks after the Spirit. For the Bible teaches the works of the flesh are manifest, love, works of the flesh, which is adulteries and fornications and murders and thefts and covetousness, etc. But the work of the Spirit, or the fruit of the Spirit, or that which is born of the Spirit, is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, gentleness, goodness, faith, meekness, temperance, etc. Against such there is no law. So this is...
You can see it from miles away, look at that.
Wow. That's okay, that'll do, Chad.
Look at that, look.